at this nasty, nasty trophy painted by Rick Hansen. It is a giant paint gun. It is for our best of show. Again, I say this all the time, but like I got 60 plastic trophies and it's not very impressive, but when you get these really cool hand-painted, these are the ones that stick out in the garage. These are the ones that I love winning handmade trophies. And if you guys all look in the center here, we have all different trophies. Here is our Sanfilippo Cup. The winner tonight of the cup is taking this home. Now, the winner gets their name on here forever. And as we all know, our first winner ever was Mike Green. Bob Dixon won it number 2, and Klinger won it number 3. Klinger's back today. Can Klinger go back-to-back years, Sanfilippo? We're gonna find out today. He's in a relic. We're gonna go car by car. I want you to just pick one. Please don't cheer for all of them. Let's just pick one. How this one's gonna take home this cool trophy. So, we're gonna start with you. Your name, where you're from.
Tommy Potter, Hartwick, New York.
Who thinks Tommy is our best of paint? Oh, you guys aren't gonna be this dead all day, are you? Oh, okay, let's open number 2. Okay, now this is our last year, right? You won best of paint last year. Tell us why you won last year. Tell us about your paint job this year. Your name.
My name is John Sargent from Norwich, and I won last year for 68 games with the kids that's got the Sanfilippo disease, and this year I got 110 on 2 cars.
Yeah, so he has put the name of every child with MPS or that has fallen with MPS. Last year you voted him the winner. He has even more names on that 4 card today, but is he your best of paint? Okay, that's the loudest so far. Your name?
Tammy Lockwood, Norwich, New York.
What's the deal with your car?
Same thing.
She's got the name of all the MPS kids. Who thinks this should be our best of paint? Oh man, you guys better get way louder today. Whose car is this? I'm gonna skip you. Oh, Derek. That's why. You're not gonna say anything in the mic anyway. All right. Your name, where you're from?
Derek Sarah, Plymouth, New York.
3rd place last year in the cup, right? Where'd you get down? 3rd place in a relic. You're back in a relic. What year is this?
55. DeSoto.
55 DeSoto. Who thinks Derek is our best of paint? That's the most I've ever heard him talk. Him, not me. All right. Well, we all know you, but go ahead. Your name, where you're from?
Clifford Donnelly, Earlville, New York.
Beautiful car. Who thinks Clifford Donnelly is your best of paint? Oh man, I hope you guys get riled up today. You're starting quiet. All right, sir, your name, where you're from?
Joey Utter from Morris, New York.
Joey Utter, is he our best of paint? You got one fan. You got one fan. She did good though. She's a good fan. Sir, your name, where you're from?
Will Graham from Esperance, New York.
Will Graham, who thinks he's our best of paint? You guys got someone specific here? I have heard nothing from this crowd. Is this how you guys are going to be on my jokes today? I hope not. Okay. Your name, where you're from?
Josh Diamond from Scary, New York.
Who thinks Josh is our best of paint? Oh boy, is this a crisis? Oh yeah, this is my style here. All right. If I could scream, this would be the car I'd scream. All right, your name, sir? Where are you from?
Harold Humphrey from Norwich.
Norwich champion in another Chrysler. Who thinks should be our best of paint? That's the most I've heard out of him today, I think. That was pretty good. All right, who we got here? Oh boy. Your name? Have you ever missed a best of paint? How many of these you got? A few. None? One. Yeah, I know you won at least once. All right, your name and where you're from?
I'm Hunter from Cooperstown, New York.
Who thinks Kyle from Wall to Wall Auto, best of paint? I think you're leading right now. Your name and where you're from?
From New York.
Who thinks Jamie Lee is our best of paint? Oh, you guys are like all over the place. Okay, so let me just make sure. Who thinks it's Kyle Hunter? Oh, you guys think Harold was in it? I don't know, I was booting him out already. Who thinks Harold should be our best of paint? Hunter? Harold. Oh man. Buell, I'm doing it one more time. And Buell's picking it. No, you're picking it, Buell. Over here with Hunter? Humphrey. Kyle Hunter, your best of paint. Thank you, brother, for your great job. Appreciate that. Real closer. I probably ruined that for you. I'm sorry. I'll get you on the next one. All right, drivers, go line up in your heat. Let's start smashing.